Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered how to start trading in the financial markets, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to provide you with a comprehensive beginner's guide on how to get started with trading. Whether you're interested in stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Educate yourself. The first step on your trading journey is education. Take the time to understand the financial markets, trading instruments, and basic terminology. There are plenty of resources available online, including books, courses, and educational websites. Step 2. Choose your market. Next, decide which financial market you want to trade in. Options include the stock market, forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and more. Each market has its own unique characteristics and risks, so choose one that aligns with your interests and goals. Step 3. Select a reliable broker. To start trading, you'll need a brokerage account. Research and choose a reputable broker that offers access to your chosen market. Consider factors like fees, trading platforms, customer support, and regulatory compliance when making your selection. Step 4. Create a trading plan. A trading plan is your roadmap to success. It should include your trading goals, risk tolerance, entry and exit strategies, and money management rules. Having a well-defined plan will help you stay disciplined and make informed decisions. Step 5. Practice with a demo account. Before risking your hard-earned money, practice trading with a demo account provided by your broker. This allows you to execute trades using virtual funds, gaining valuable experience without the risk of real losses. Step 6. Start small and manage risk. When you're ready to trade with real money, start small. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Use risk management techniques like setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Step 7. Analyze and research. Successful traders often spend time analyzing the markets and conducting research. Learn about technical and fundamental analysis to make informed trading decisions. Stay updated on news and events that may impact your chosen market. Step 8. Execute your trades. Using your trading plan, execute your trades through your chosen brokerage platform. Be patient and stick to your strategy, avoiding impulsive decisions based on emotions. Step 9. Monitor and review. Regularly monitor your open positions and review your trading performance. Learn from your successes and mistakes, and continuously improve your skills. Step 10. Stay informed and adapt. Financial markets are dynamic and ever-changing. Stay informed about market developments, adapt your strategies as needed, and be flexible in response to market conditions. Conclusion. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to getting started with trading. Remember that trading involves risks, and it's crucial to approach it with caution and a willingness to learn. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Happy trading, and may your investments be prosperous.